Big stairs. You ready? This way. Hang on. Come here. Let me have your hand. Cover your eyes, and I'll guide you to your room. Cover your eyes. Hold on. Wait. Okay, open this door. Open it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Look at that big bed. Jump on it. Take your shoes off. Jump on it.
Okay, I'll jump on it.
Look at that big old bed.
That's big.
And look, see? Look at all your stuff, all your books, and your chair, and your racetrack.
And even with this.
I don't remember what that is. It's Mr. Potato Head.
What's he doing?
He's got football stuff on. Look, you got a closet too. Look at your big closet.
Whoa!
There's your guitar and your TV and all your movies.
My movies and my TV and my piggy bank.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah. What is this?
It's a book. Those are all your books. Look at the camera. Look at me. Say, I love my room.